How to add VPN in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for VPN and device management. Tap on it and then tap on the VPN option you see there, and further, go ahead and tap on the Add VPN configuration option. Now, go ahead and type in the required details, that is, select the type of VPN and then add the description along with the server, remote ID, and local ID. You can also enter the user authentication and then add the username and the password. Also select the proxy and finally tap on Done option, and with this, the VPN will be added. So this is how you can add VPN in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.